Thank you guys so much for tuning into my video. In this video, I use my own cosmetics that I made from scratch, as well as my store-bought products. So if you guys are interested in how I achieve this look, then please stay tuned. this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. Initially I wanted to do a back to school makeup, but I don't think a lot of students wear eyeshadow to school. I'm not sure because I'm out of high school for like I don't know how many years now. But if you guys still want to rock this makeup, then of course you can do that. But yeah, it was simple enough, I hope. And if you guys are interested in seeing more of this kind of makeup, I have my Instagram. It's called edesfonnt, edesfonnt. That's where I post most of my pictures and videos on my makeup as well as my hair care routine. A lot of people like my wash and go, so if you guys are interested, I also have the video. I'm gonna put it down below. So I hope you guys like this video, and I hope to see you guys soon.